visualization capabilities, allowing developers to create visually stunning and interactive dashboards that effectively communicate insights from complex datasets. Tableau's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for developers to create sophisticated visualizations without extensive programming knowledge. This accessibility enables faster development cycles and empowers users to explore data independently. Tableau offers connectivity to a wide range of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, cloud services, and big data platforms. This allows developers to work with diverse datasets and integrate data from multiple sources seamlessly. Tableau is capable of handling large volumes of data and supporting deployments across organizations of all sizes. Whether it's a small team or a large enterprise, Tableau can scale to meet the needs of various users and environments. With Tableau's live data connection capabilities, developers can perform real-time data analysis and visualization, enabling users to make data-driven decisions based on the most up-to-date information available. Tableau's interactive features enable users to explore data dynamically, drill down into specific details, and uncover insights that may not be apparent in static reports. This interactivity enhances user engagement and facilitates deeper understanding of data trends. Tableau provides robust collaboration and sharing features, allowing developers to publish dashboards to Tableau Server or Tableau Online for easy sharing with colleagues and stakeholders. This fosters collaboration, encourages knowledge sharing, and promotes data-driven decision-making across teams. Tableau integrates seamlessly with predictive analytics tools and statistical modeling platforms, enabling developers to incorporate advanced analytics techniques into their visualizations and derive predictive insights from data. Tableau has a large community of developers and experts who actively share knowledge, best practices, and resources through forums. They provide support and valuable assistance and learning opportunities for developers at all levels. As organizations increasingly rely on data-driven insights to gain a competitive edge, the demand for skilled Tableau developers continues to grow. Becoming proficient in Tableau opens up a wide range of career opportunities in data visualization, business intelligence, analytics, and related fields.